our choreographies, we are moving backwards.
女生在舞蹈当中大部分的时间都在后退。
But boys, unfortunately, they don't have this good habit to prepare the right hip backwards while moving back.
男生可能不会经常有一种习惯，让他的胯位去产生转动。
That is why many times boys are too squeezed with the hips when they move back.
对，这就是男生为什么很多的问题在后退的时候一直会把自己
So the legs become
变成
stiff. Sorry, and the body square.
变成整个人很正，没有身体的胯位的转动。
So now, especially for the men, I would like that they pay attention about creation this diagonal in the right hip joint while moving back.
男生一定要注意，在你的后退移动的时候，用你的右胯来给对方制造一个移动的机会。
Now we try in the body connection.
我们来试一下贴合身体跳。
When you create rotation in the right hip, pay attention that the right side is not going inside.
用到右胯的时候，千万不要让你的右侧的身体变成了缩进去。
So we always have to separate our rib zone from our hip zone and from our shoulder zone.
我们这三个区域一定要分开，你的肩膀这一块和肋骨这一块，还有胯位这一块，千万不要同时往一个地方去。
So when we now will stay in the full body connection, the rib cage is never turning, so it's always directing forward or backward. But the down part, we can feel more free. So the down part we are rotating.
你的肋骨不会去转动，它永远只会向前或向后，但是你的胯位是会改变的。
Try 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1.